Have you ever told yourself, I can't do that, or it is just not possible for me? These are the lies of the limiting beliefs, thoughts that hold us back from reaching our full potential. Those limitations are often just in your mind. Today, I will show you how to identify these beliefs, understand their impact, and take the first steps towards a growth mindset. What are limitations? Limitations are the barriers we believe are holding us back. They can be internal, like self-doubt, fear, or negative beliefs, or external, like circumstances we think we can't change. Internal limitations are the ones we have the most power over. Internal versus external limitations. Internal limitations, these are the beliefs we carry about ourselves. For example, I am not smart enough, I am too old, or I will never succeed. These thoughts shape how we see ourselves and what we think we are capable of. External limitations. These include things like finances, time, or other people's opinions. While they are real changes, they often aren't as immovable as we think. A shift in mindset can open doors we didn't know were there. The impact of limitations on our lives. When we let limitation control us, we stay stuck in the same place. They stop us from trying new things, taking risks, or pursuing our dreams. But the good news is the first step to breaking free is simple recognizing them. How to break free from limiting beliefs. Awareness. Pay attention to the thoughts you have about yourself. Write down the beliefs that make you feel stuck. Challenge those beliefs. Ask yourself, is this real true? What evidence do I have that I can't succeed? Adopt a growth mindset. Start saying, I can't do this yet, instead of I can't do this. Believe that your abilities can grow with effort and persistence. Take one small step. Action is the antidote to limiting beliefs. Start with one small action that challenges the belief. For example, if you think you are bad at public speaking, try sharing a small idea in a meeting or practicing with a friend. Breaking free from limiting beliefs is a journey, but it starts with one step. Recognizing that they are just thoughts, not facts. Today, I challenge you to write down one limited belief you have been carrying and replace it with a growth-focused thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe for the next episode, where we will dive deeper into the power of a growth mindset and how it can transform your life.